Good morning, how's it going? Right then, today it is Sunday, the 10th of October, and we're out with the Northwest Magnet Fishing crew as normal, and we're on Wigan Canal again. In Wigan, sorry. On Wigan Canal. In Wigan again. So we're going to give this little area a go today. We're not far from actually where Wigan Pier is, in the centre of in Wigan, which I know really, really well. I used to go there dancing years ago, absolutely years ago we used to go there. Right then, so we'll get on with it. Nice short and sweet intro, and what I'll do is I'll throw the 200 in for a little bit, just have a little scout around with the 200. We're right at the back of a car spares place, so let's see if we can find any little bits and pieces to do with that. Most people are here already. You've got Ashley, Alistair's here, the Welsh Magnet Group. AJ's here, Ashley, AJ Magnet Fishing. Steve's here as well, Blackpool Magneteers. Dan's here, DS Magnet Fishing. Tracy's here, Maple Leaf. And with Alan and the dog. And then in the far distance, we've got Suzanne from the Bates Motel. Right, let's get on with it. Let's get first 3 chucks in and see what we can find. Marvellous. 200, the little baby. It's only a little tiny scout. We're going to give this a little play first. Still a belting magnet, still cracking up for online magnets. So easy to throw. It's just like, oh, it's like a little feather throwing it out, and because it's got the nice thin line on it as well, which is still quite strong, the power cord. It's a belter. Any kids out there, any families who want to get themselves a nice little small magnet, go for the little 200, the 250, round about that area, and the kids can throw that in all day and all day, and you know you're not going to get any trouble getting stuck on some really big things. You should be okay getting it out. As you can see, plenty of buckets out as well today, loads of buckets. Okay, oh, tell you what, let me point it around this way a tiny bit more. Hold on, because we're nowhere here. I'll start right then. So first chuck that we've got, a little bit of scrap metal straight in the bucket. Some kind of a small clip as well. Not sure what that is. And also, first coin of the day, 2p piece. Lovely. I think what we'll do with the coins, we'll get the little container out that Tracy's give us. Little yellow container. So I suppose by now people would have seen the last video that I put out, which was about the 24-hour event that we did for Scotty B's charity do for Help the Heroes. I am so sorry everybody, but alcohol took hold of me straight away on that night. So that was a one-off, that last video that I put up with a little bit of raw footage. We'll get back to our normal way of doing the videos. Some kind of a U-shaped clip. It's like it's part of a drain pipe, a little bit of a guttering, drain pipe size thing. Chuck number 2, that was number 2, here's number 3. Chuck number 3, some kind of a bolt that's got a hole through the top, a little circle. You can see that.
You'll not be quiet. He's alright.
So that's your 3 chucks. So look at it, there's dogs everywhere, all kicking off. Right, I'll turn this off now. Find anything else, I'll bang it back on. Right then, so a few little things that I've just had with the 200. Nothing much really, but coaster wheel, large drill bit, looks like a 12mm, 14mm drill bit. Bracket off an exhaust, probably, some kind. Spark plug. Sells a little brake bit off a push bike. I've had a couple of little bits of, let's have a look at this one. Some kind of starter motor of something, some kind. Alternator, I'm not sure what that is. A couple of pipes and a couple of exhaust pieces as well that I've had. So there is a lot of things underneath the water that the 200 was grabbing hold of, and it just wasn't pulling it out the solid. So I'm going to just go straight in now with the drag queen, leaving the beast, not even going for that now. I'm just going to go straight for it with the drag queen. I'll throw 3 chucks in now where I've just been throwing in with the 200, and we'll see exactly what they are, the big bits. Hopefully we can get them out. Drag queen, that's the one, you know, the one. Drag queen, marvellous. Right, let's give her a go. Big difference between throwing that 200 and that flaming 700. Probably a piece of glass there with a little bit of metal frame around it, something. Another part of an exhaust. And a nice large bolt with a threaded bar all the way along. That's all threaded all the way. Another kind of coil, something on it again. I'm not sure what that is. And just loads and loads of little brackets. Nice big long chain there then. It looks like it's off like the decorative post that they used to get. They used to dangle down, so nice little chain there, some weight in that. And again, another part of an exhaust again. We're getting loads of these little exhausts out. And just loads and loads of little bits of rusty bits. Oh, hold on. Don't know if you can see that or not there. That's what you got to watch out for, ladies and gents. There's actually a Stanley blade there, a little shaving blade. Wilkinson thing that was within all the bits, that then. That's why you need to wear gloves.
Is that lid off?
Paint lid off, improved formulation. Sulfo, something. Blend of silicone and polyurethane, registered applied, improved formula. Not got a clue. Don't know if anybody can see that there. It had green in it anyway, whatever it was. The paint. Again, more exhausts. Loads of tins. Another 2p piece. Again, more exhaust pipes coming out. This time a large screwdriver, little flathead screwdriver. Right, so I've had about 2 hours here now on this little bit where I've been fishing just at this side here, and I've literally had loads of bits of exhausts. I've had a bag full of small weights. We've had 2 chains, this chain, nice big bolt, bit of scaffold tube in there, a nice big flat plate there, and obviously a bag full of brackets and bits and pieces that are in there. I'll take them, get them weighed in. So that's it really, and then in my bin we've got this just this rubbish here in that bin there, hardly any plastic whatsoever. Right then, so I'm going to move along now, find somewhere else to go. We're actually on the 7 Stars Bridge number 50 now instead, which leads round towards where Wigan Pier is. We've actually, on the other side of here, it's where we've parked the vans up over here on the car park, so I thought it nice and easy. Throw all the stuff back in van in a bit. So, I'm going to give this a go now, but I'm going to get the beast out and have a little throw along the edges here. Right then, so my third chuck with the beast. I've got a little torch off a push bike by the look of it. It does say something on it there, I'm not sure what it says, to be honest with you. Bell, Lumina, 75 hours, 180 degrees, not a clue. Long oval beam, it's called. Lumina. Got that. I've got this lovely box section as well. I've had one of these things off a car, a strut. We've had a macro, part of a shopping trolley with the plastic bit on there, it's been broke off. We've had 3 of these little things. Looks like they're off a tent or something by the look of it, I don't know. Probably off a tent, they all join together anyway. Fiberglass, and then they've got little, I think it must be off a tent, isn't it? One of them little dome tents or something, I don't know. We've had 3 of them up to now as well. It's alright mate, no problem. Got myself a serious speaker here, look at this one. It's called Planet Audio. It's called, absolutely massive speaker. Out of a vehicle, car or something, I don't know. Big magnet on the back of it as well. And stuck to its magnet, part of a measuring tape and a couple of beer can tops as well. Just had a cracking ook. Look at that. That's a belter. Marvellous. Right then, so it's nearly time to go home now, to be honest with you. Everybody's packed up. We've moved all the scrap metal, put it all in one spot. I'll take a photo of it in a minute and put it at the end of the video. But that's it for today, for Wigan. We've had a few little bits and pieces, mostly car parts, but other than that, not a lot. Right then, so thank you very much for watching as normal. I do appreciate it, everybody, and as usual, take it easy.